Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Gently pull up to unplug the antenna cables from the Wi-Fi card. Remove one 2mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Gently pull back to unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the stylus charger from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Unplug the world-facing camera cable from the motherboard. Remove 7 4mm screws from the motherboard. Remove the bracket. And gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into its port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket, and replace the 7 4mm screws. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the stylus charger back into the motherboard. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. and plug the world-facing camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. And gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the Wi-Fi card. Replace the one 2mm screw back into the Wi-Fi card. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 11 captive screws in the bottom cover.